Hey there, in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can reset your GE dishwasher. It's pretty simple. There are 3 ways how we can do it. So to force a reset on GE dishwasher, unplug the dishwasher from the power source or turn off the circuit breaker, wait for 1 minute, plug it back or turn the circuit breaker back on and press the start reset button for 5 seconds. So this is the first thing that you can try. The second thing that you can try, when it's on, press and hold the start button for 5 seconds. And if that doesn't work, what you want to do is you want to press and hold the start button with the select cycle button. And you just want to locate where is the start and the select cycle on your. And then you just want to press and hold both of those. And then you're going to have also a restart and reset your GE dishwasher. So you're either going to unplug it, wait for 1 minute, then just start, press and start reset for about 5 seconds. Then the second thing that you can try to do is that you just want to press and hold the start and select cycle together for about, let's say, 5 to 10 seconds, and it should perform a reset. So I hope this video helped you to solve this issue. Have a great day and goodbye.